Today we'll be adding and subtracting radical expressions for Algebra 2. So we're just going to jump right into it. I'll explain it as I go. So the first problem, very first thing you have to check to see is if the radicals are the same. These are both square roots, so we can combine. So then you look at what's underneath this square root. They are both square roots of 7. So combine these are known as, these are like terms. So they're alike. So then we have 4 total. You have 4 square roots of 7. You're adding 2 more square roots of 7. So together you have 6 square roots of 7. Moving on. Example 2. I have 5 square roots of 2. So there are 5 of them, and I'm subtracting 5 square roots of 2. If you have 5 and you subtract 5, you are left with 0 square roots of 2, which is just 0. Number 3. Here I have both square roots. They're both square roots. I have -2 square root of 12 minus 2 square root of 3. These are not the same. But I can simplify. So the very first thing you want to do is simplify the radicals. So that's the first step, simplify the radicals. So 12, let's break that down into 6 and 2, and then 3 and 2. It's a square root, so I need pairs. So this becomes -2 on the outside from here, times 2 from the pair of 2's, and then square root of 3 left over from the 3 here that doesn't have a pair. We're subtracting 2 square roots of 3. So we have -2 times 2 is -4 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 3. Oh, now we have like terms, square root of 3 and a square root of 3. So -4 minus 2 is -6 square roots of 3. There's the final answer for that. Moving on to example 4. Now we have 2 square roots and a cube root. So we have 2 square roots and a cube root. The first thing, again, to simplify, always simplify the radicals first. We have 24, 12 and 2, 6 and 2, 3 and 2. So that becomes 2 square root, 3 times 2, multiply to 6. 8, break that down. We have a pair of 2's, doesn't matter which pair you take. So the plus here from here. Pair of 2's comes out, square root of 2 stays inside. And then we have cube root of 54, so we have 2 times 27, 3 times 9, 3 times 3. And I'm looking for groups of 3. There are 3 3's, so that's a group of 3. So that comes out. And it's a cube root, and the only thing left over is the 2. So now I look to see what my like terms are. So I look for like terms after you simplify. And once you look for them, combine them. So we have 2 square root of 6, we have square root of 2, and cube root of 2. I have 2 square roots, but they're not the same. That's square root of 6, this is square root of 2. And then I have a cube root. So they're not like terms. Cube roots and square roots do not get combined. This is my final answer. And the last problem. So here we have all cube roots, so the potential is there to have like terms. I have to first simplify. So 81 is 27 and 3. 9 and 3, 3 and 3. So bring down the -4. multiply that by its cube root, so 3 of a kind, group of 3, comes out. Cube root, there's a 3 left over here. Minus, bring that 3 down. And 135, I need to break that down. So that's 27 and 5. And 9 and 3. And 3 and 3. I always circle prime numbers. You don't have to, but it keeps it straight for me. And it's a cube root, so I'm looking for groups of 3. So that will come out as a 3. And what's left over is the 5 here. And the last 2 are already simplified. 4 is 2 times 2. There's only 2 2's. I need 3 of them, so that doesn't work. And 5 is a prime number. So let's just write those down. So minus 4, cube root of 4, minus cube root of 5. Now I'm going to take a look at if I have any like terms. Well, let's put these together. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Cube root of 3, minus 3 times 3 is 9, cube root of 5, minus 4, cube root 4, minus cube root of 5. Looking for like terms. I have cube root of 5 and a cube root of 5. Those are my like terms. So I got to put those together. So I have negative 9 cube roots of 5, and I'm subtracting 1 cube root of 5. It's going to give me a negative 10 cube root of 5. And these other terms, just write them down. Cube root of 3 minus 4, and it doesn't matter the order you write these in. So this is the final answer. No other like terms, that is it. Come to class with questions. Don't forget about your Unit 2 test on Unit 2A and 2B.